Hi guys. Okay, so in the last video I told you that I exemplified how to intercept radial outbound. Now I'm going to show you how to intercept a radial inbound. Okay, let's go to it. So let me select my aircraft. Is the aircraft actually flying? I don't know. Let me check. No, okay, it's on pause. So guys, once again, first thing that I'm gonna do is just to identify where am I, okay, in relation to the VOR. All right, as you can see, I am now on radial 235. Okay, here. First thing of all, I don't want to display this like this. I want my course selector to be always on the upper half of the HSI. So pointing that way, because if I follow the needle, this is called the course selector, and if I follow the needle, this now will be my selected course. Okay, so now I'm basically going to take it out of pause and I'm going to follow my radial. Okay, okay guys, so now I'm following radial 335 inbound to the section. VOR it's here. Then I would, if I didn't stop, I would pass the VOR and continue to go on radial 055. Alright, but that's not what I want. So I'm now on radial 235, and let's say I want radial 210. Okay, so first thing, select radial 210 there. Okay, radial 210 is selected. The first thing that I would do is just to go and follow the end of the CDI and then apply my formula. If I wanted to intercept with a 30-degree angle, I would add it up here in the course. If I wanted 90-degree angle, I would add it once again here in the course, down to 120, follow it, and as it enters, I would follow on the radial. Let me explain this to you in Paint, which is easier, so you can really understand it. Alright, so let's cut it. Let's paste it in Paint here. Well guys, as I said, what is happening is that, as you knew, we were over here. Let me put this in another color so you don't. We were in this radial. Okay, the VOR it's over here. Sorry, VOR it's over here in the center. We were on this radial course 055, so we were heading that way. So heading 055, track 055, course 055, and now what I want is to just intercept radial 120. Okay guys, now I want you to think here with me, okay, that if I put a line from my position upwards, okay, if I just follow the let's put it in pink. You think you can see it like this? Okay, you can see it like this. If I just follow what I'm doing, I'll just follow the radial that I'm actually at, and I will never intercept this radial. Okay, if I turn and I follow heading of 030, okay, I will do a parallel to this radial that I want. Okay, if I do, let's say 040, if I do 030. If I select a track from 030 to my left side, okay, I will get away from this line here. So this line in pink is what I'm going to do. It's going to be my track, and this line, this blue line, it's my radial objective, my required radial. Okay, so if I do 030 right here, I am going to do a parallel line with my radial, and I will never get there. If I come to the left side of this, if I go west of this, I'm going to get further away from my radial. But if I start from 030 to the right, let's say 031, 032, 040, I am going to sooner or later intercept this line of position, but not the radial that I want, because obviously the line of position is composed of radial 030 and radial 210. Since I want radial 210, I am not going to be able to get it until I go to the VII and at least 1 degree more to the right. Okay, to resume, from left of 030 I will get away from my radial until when I get to 030 I will do a parallel to my radial. From 030 to 055 I will only be able to intercept radial 030. Okay, at 055 I will go overhead the station. Okay, I will not touch the radial 210, and then from 055 to the right I will now, yes, be able to intercept radial 210. That's why I told you when we are outbound we can intercept every radial with any angle of interception. But when you're speaking about intercepting inbound, okay, the station, this is not a reality, because there's a chance of intercepting the course that you want, or the line of position that you want, whatever you want to call it, but not the radial that you want. Okay, because from 055 to 030 you will intercept this line of position, but not the radial that you want. So here, once again, just quick guide to intercept the radial. Turn right until you basically are on track to the end part of the CDI, and then do your math. Okay, let me do it with you step by step. So here, okay, I'm gonna take it out of pause. Take it out of pause. I'm gonna turn right until I'm aligned with the end part of the CDI. Okay. So now I'm following the end part of the CDI, and now I'm going to do my math. Okay, I was here on radial, let's say 250. Sorry, we were on radial let me pause this. I can discover. I can do it right now, checking which radial I'm at. So approximately, so yeah, we were approximately on radial 235. Okay, and we wanted, yeah, we wanted radial 200. Let's say it like that. Let's imagine it like that. So from 235 to 200, basically there's 35 degrees difference. Okay, so 35 degrees difference times 2, it's going to be 70 degrees of interception. So 020 plus 70, it's going to be 080, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to do 080 until, oh, sorry mate, 080 until I intercept my radial. Okay, this last part, once again, if you are in a different school where you need to intercept at 30-degree angle or 45-degree angle, it's no problem. Just add it to your required course. Okay, imagine that you are supposed to intercept at a 30-degree angle of interception, no problem. 0 to 0 plus 30, it's going to be 050. If your school wants you to intercept at an angle of interception of 45 degrees of angle of interception, no problem. 0 to 0 plus 45, 065. Alright, if you are in a hurry and you want to intercept the radial 200 as quick as possible, okay, just go for 90-degree. Okay, 90-degree, which here is 110. You can do the math. 020 plus 90, 110. Okay, and that's just basically it. Let me see, this is 200 that I want. Let me just check if I'm... my bad. Where am I? I want to be in 200. I'm currently at 225 approximately. So yeah, same thing happened. I'm really far away from my... oh my god, why all the delay? I am really far away from the radial that I want, so I'm just going to select 90 degrees to do it faster. Okay, going to 110. Okay guys, so now just what we're gonna do is just to keep this heading until it starts to move. And then when it starts moving, we're just going to we are just going to follow it. We were doing it inbound, so we'll maintain inbound. Okay, there is a trick. You can go ahead and see where you at. Okay, you know that you want this one, so the VOR is here and you're here going up, and you can see where you are if you select. For instance, now I'm selecting 210. I'm almost getting to 210, which means that I'm getting to this position, and then it's going to be this one. Now it's going to start moving. Okay, I'm going to start to point to this part here. As the radial is gaining on me. Doing now 10, 20, 30 degrees of interception here. Can stop here for a minute just to let the radial gain a little bit more position over me. As it gets closer, I'm going to intercept in a lower and lower angle of interception until it is completely intercepted, and I can just follow it. While I'm doing this, I can just put my heading bug where I want. Okay guys, and now finally I'm over the radial, following it inbound to the station. Let me see where I am. How much time do I have on this video? It's getting to an end. Guys, this was it. See you in the next video. Cheers.